Hello everyone. So today's topic is tourist places of Gaya. So in yesterday's video of tourist places of Bihar, I mentioned some places of Gaya also. So today I'm going to tell you in detail about those places that are in Gaya. So first of all, the most famous, the Mahabodhi temple, which is a very famous place or the pure uh, place for Buddhist people mainly. Hindu people also go to that temple, but mainly Buddhist people go there as it is the place where Lord Buddha got enlightenment, and there is the tree also in uh, beneath that tree. Lord Buddha used to meditate and all. Okay, and it is a very nice temple. I have been there a couple of times, and it is a very nice temple. And you will see there many Tibetan people and many it is a different place. You will see if you go to Bodh Gaya, the place where Mahabodhi temple is, it is like a new place, as all there are very many Buddhist people walking on the streets like local people of Gaya. And then second is nearby to Mahabodhi temple, not much nearby, but we are nearby only, the Dungeshwari hill. So in yesterday's video I also told about this Dungeshwari temple also. So there is a hill, that is Dungeshwari hill. On the top of that hill there is a cave or a temple, you can say, that is known as Dungeshwari temple. So there Lord Buddha used to meditate for a couple of years. Okay, and that cave is literally very small. I have been there. I have to first of all do my head like this and then enter the temple. And on the side of that temple there is a you can say museum type. There is a statue of Lord Buddha, some arts of Buddhist, you can say, and it is also a very nice place, very nice. I have been there with my school 2 times. It was a picnic there. And then the third place is Vishnupat temple, and Vishnupat temple is mainly a place where Hindu people visit mostly, but another religion people also come here, and it is a place where the Lord Vishnu's footprint is present, and it is a very pure or very holy thing for Hindus. People take blessing from that footprint. Many actresses also came here to take the blessings, and the footprints are decorated with flowers every day, and it looks very nice, very beautiful. Okay, so the theory is that it is believed that many years ago, a long time before, the Lord Vishnu pressed his footprint on Gayasur. So Gayasur was like a devil in Gaya. Okay, so when he pushed him, he had gone under the ground, and then only the Lord Vishnu's footprint being carved there. So yeah, that's the story of Vishnupat temple. These are the few places which are very famous in Gaya. You can visit them. Some more places I will discover and tell you later. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.